If you can't hear me over the water, let me know and I'll try to speak up. We are thrilled that so many of you could make it here today, choosing to travel such a long distance and to be witnesses of Catherine and Courtney's marriage in this beautiful country. This is a love story. Love is given to us by our families and friends. We learn to love by being loved. Learning to love and living together are some of the greatest challenges of life and the shared goal of married life. David Muir wrote, "A great marriage is not when a perfect couple comes together. It is when an imperfect couple learns to enjoy the differences." And that's one of the things when you go through a marriage, you realize there are a couple differences every now and then.
Just one or two.
Catherine.
Hey.
Hey. I took a chance on the big city of Atlanta because it felt important. A big job, it felt life-changing, but behind all that, my heart was not whole. There had to be something more than that, because I was only half of what I could be. Then I met you. Positivity, big emotions. I was
Very big. Very big.
I was small and I was incomplete. Catherine, when we first started dating, I knew it was important. I told you so.
Yeah.
I didn't know why, but it felt like it was. Today, I know why. It's because our love makes me feel whole. I know what I'm here for. To be part of our adventure, our family, our life. So I pledge myself to us, forever and always. To the moon and back.
Oh.
I love you.
I love you too. That was really good.
I vow to give you the space to grow and the freedom to be yourself and to appreciate the colors and richness of all that you are throughout our journey. To bring strength when you are weak, softness when you need comfort, and to stand in the wings when it's your time to shine. And to offer kindness and laughter when you need a new perspective, as well as a gentle nudge to put down your phone and look around once in a while.
Yeah. Yeah.
And to honor our relationship with integrity and humility and respect and care for you as I would my dearest friend.
Oh.
And to love you for all of our days.
Always remember to cherish each other, because you're both special and unique individuals. Respect the thoughts, ideas, and suggestions of one another. Be able to forgive. Don't hold grudges. Bad investment. Live each day. From this day forward, you shall be each other's home, your safest space, your marriage, your strength by your love and respect for each other.